Day 4 still. She had her breakfast and she sat for a bit on her perch, but then she came back and sat on the floor again at the bottom of the cage. You don't know, for some reason, maybe she's so jumpy still. She keeps looking at me. She gets excited when the ambulance come by. See, there's an ambulance. She might start screaming. Lana? Lana? You're okay? Lana? Hello? I blow at her face. She just seems to enjoy it. She seems alright with that. Yeah, she likes it. See? Hello? Hello? See you later.